At Georgia Expo, we take every step to ensure your order arrives in the same condition that it left our facility. Our packaging and packing standards are designed to protect your order from damage in transit. For LTL shipments, we take detailed pictures of every box, pallet, cart, or other handling unit so that you can see how it looks when it leaves our dock.
Every order ships with a tracking number and a packing list. For parcel shipments, each box, bag, or parcel will have its own tracking number. For LTL shipments, a single Master Pro number will indicate all handling units within a shipment. When your order arrives, it is critical to inspect it immediately. Here's what to do. Check the shipment against the pictures we sent. Verify that the piece count matches the packing list and bill of lading. Look for any signs of damage or missing items. Note that carriers sometimes split or repalletize LTL shipments, which can result in missing or delayed items. If anything is missing or damaged from your order, do not sign the delivery receipt clear. Instead, note any issues on the delivery receipt before signing. Once an order is signed for as clear, we can no longer file a freight claim on your behalf, as the carrier will deny it. However, we can assist in reaching out to the carrier for a dock sweep if needed. We also recommend that you take your own pictures of each unit as it arrives. This is especially important for LTL shipments, but it's a good practice for parcel deliveries as well, even though those typically don't require a signature.
Every package is clearly labeled, documented, and tracked to help avoid freight issues. Our goal is to ensure that everything that you ordered arrives safely and with everything you need to verify your shipment.